I am going to be giving away this easy lip, which we would use in the video. All you got to do is go ahead and comment the flexing arm emoji and follow my Instagram, which is just that kid, 2 D's and 2 underscore at the end, and then be a subscriber. So whoever, make sure you comment down below, like I said, the flexing arm emoji, follow my Instagram, just that kid, 2 underscores and 2 D's at the end, like the channel, and I'm gonna pick a winner by Thursday. So y'all gonna see this video on Wednesday. I'm gonna pick a winner Thursday night, and then I'm gonna go and ship this out to you. So this is universal. You don't want to buy a G8 only front splitter. You can use this as an alternative for the time being. And I mean, if you want it to be permanent, it looks good. It does give the car an aggressive look when you put this on. Y'all gonna see what I used it for in the video. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be fixing I got Fez at the house. Dang, I'm pointing the wrong way. But today we're gonna be fixing my G8 only splitter that, I mean, if y'all seen it in person, y'all know why we fixing it, but I'm about to show y'all in a few. So hey y'all, so we about to take off the bumper so we can fix the G8 only splitter. So if y'all seen the car in person, y'all notice that the splitter kind of goes up, and that's because it has this dip in the bumper in the middle. And I didn't want the splitter to come off, and I don't know. I don't remember the reason why I did this. Why? But I put 2 bolts, I think right here, to hold the splitter. So it causes the splitter to go up like a damn ducktail, pretty much. So what we're gonna be doing is taking some easy lip, and we're gonna try to fix it, or try to make it look decent to where the the splitter, the front lip is not doing like this anymore. So right now Fez is taking off this side. I'm gonna go and take this side off, and then if y'all know, to take the bumper off, you have, I think it's what, 2 bows and then 2 little tabs up top, and then it is 2 bolts also. This is the hardest ones to get to, is the 2 bolts in the fender well. So you have to take apart. Probably have to move the tire a little bit. That's what I usually do. Yeah. I turn the tire, but we have to turn the tire to take the bumper off. I've been scraping and stuff. The car is pretty low, but it ain't the lowest. But this is the 2 bolts that I put in the middle to kind of hold it up to make sure that the splitter don't come off. So I'm gonna go ahead and undo these 2 bolts right now, so we can make some room for in the middle. But y'all can see how you have this space right here, and then obviously this is a common G8 problem where it starts cracking it right down the middle. But you see all the rocks and stuff that be hitting it at the bottom also. Yeah, so what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna put the easy lip on there and try to tuck it, so that way it kind of looks like the GXB bumper.
Fills in the hole right here, fills in the gap.
Yeah, hold on. This is my, oh, I gotta clean up tonight. Got too much shit in me. But like you said, we're gonna tug it and try to make it fill in the hole, kind of just like the GXP bumper, basically. That way we don't, when we put the splitter on, the splitter is not doing like this. It's sitting flush pretty much. So the kit actually, not kit, I don't know if it's a kit or not, but I mean, it comes with, you tape it on, but it also comes with screws also. So if we have some, I may play around and put some on the Grand Prix over there. So dang. We already cut it, and we putting it, he's going ahead and, oh, you already took the, okay, he's taping it on there basically, and screwed it in there. So we cut it like right here, look, God dang, look how bad my bump is, but right here at the curve. And so what we're gonna do is tuck it just like this, and probably put some more screws, because you won't be able to see the screws at all anyway. So, but tuck it like this, and then put the splitter on.
Just leave it like that, man.
Hey, it wouldn't look bad though if you want a cheap splitter, because I never thought about the easy lip. Oh, but if you want a cheap splitter,
that's what I had first.
The easy lip,
yeah.
And I think it's like 20 bucks. I think
12 bucks.
Maybe 20, yeah, 12, 20 bucks. But if you want one to go along the bumper to give it a more aggressive look, and you don't want to pay $150 for the cheapest one on G8 only, I would recommend getting a easy lip. Because I mean, if I would have known that, I probably would have did an easy lip, and then later on go ahead and do the other thing. But it looked like it's about to rain. Yeah, I don't know what it's for, but I don't need it. Huh?
I just had the other.
All right, y'all, so we got the middle piece on. We just screwing in the bumpers, like the bumpers. We just screwing in the screws. We didn't put 2 right here this time. So we just did like, I think, what it is, 3 on each side, or 3 and 2 or something like that. But 3 and 3. So y'all see how it sits. And we're gonna tuck it in and then screw it in, and then I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. My splitter looking really ashy too. Come on, go.
You got the, what is it? The drill?
The drill?
What size is these?
15.
You got the socket that's 15?
Yeah, that's it right there.
Back?
Oh yeah, I'm just gonna use the right here. Hold on. All right, y'all. So y'all see, we tucked it in. Like I said, it looks a whole lot better than what it was looking like before. Just wish that I didn't have this split right here, but that's a common problem. So now what we're gonna do is go ahead and start tightening all these bolts. So which one you want to do?
Well, it's gonna be the other way because you gotta do it from the bottom. Yeah.
All right, so now it's all tightened up.
You did this one? You did.
Cool. All right, y'all, so we trying to put the bumper on. If y'all run into the same problem we have, like my brackets or whatever you want to call it, they broke. So we're gonna do it the opposite way by putting the washer on this. And then as you put the screw in the little piece, I don't know what the technical term for that piece is, but when you put it in, it's gonna pull it. It's gonna do the exact same thing, but you're doing it the opposite direction, which is probably better because everybody knows who has a G8, it is hard as hell to put the bumper on and hard as hell to take it off. So.
The next day.
So it is like, I don't even know, almost a week later. But y'all see the little easy lip is holding up pretty good. Even it looks good, man. I don't have that look anymore. I don't have that look like that ducktail.
Now look, Buster, let's have an understanding. Now what? Brother, what a way to run a railroad. Now, as I was saying...
So last night got kind of bored. I was in here editing and then I was working on some shirts. I just went ahead and sprayed them again, black obviously, because it's looking all ashy looking and stuff. So we went ahead and put the shark fin antenna on there, which makes it not so prehistoric looking. Still got the GXP well on here, y'all, and still got the Z28 rim on here because I still don't have my rim. So Faz gave me these clamps for the intake. They look a lot better with what's on there right now. So what we're gonna do right quick is we're gonna go ahead and install these clamps on there. And I'm also show y'all how if y'all saw early in the video, he actually tucked in the wires and stuff for me, so it looks a whole lot better. Yeah, so I just put it on this one because it didn't fit around this part right here. So I put these two, which these two, actually, it looks fine. This will make it easier to actually take it off because the other one actually, I couldn't find a socket to fit on top of it. But like you see, tuck the wires underneath here. It looks better. So maybe one day I'll paint all this color match or something. I don't know, maybe a gloss black. Y'all see I got my little board back here now. All the videos that I'm working on or ideas that I have right here, and my business stuff, and then Grand Prix stuff, and then G8 stuff. So I would be doing a video. So I kind of I wrote down all the parts that I needed for my G8 to cam it, and what parts I kind of crossed out like what parts I already have. I'll be doing a video on how much it's gonna cost and what's left to cam the G8. So when y'all look out for that video, we'll be breaking down all the parts and stuff that I'm gonna be putting on it. So that's the big long list and how much everything costs. Well, right, yeah, everything that I need checked off and what I got, stuff like that. So I'm gonna be doing a video on that, y'all. So make sure I stay tuned for that one. That'll be the end of this video. I hope y'all liked the video, and I'll see y'all in the next video. I hope you have a good day.